Good afternoon from Natalie at Discover Real Estate. I'm right outside of Vivian's restaurant where the volleyball courts are, but they're not playing volleyball because of the storm. It washed up a lot of debris. Oh, well, down there they're playing volleyball. But I'm here today to video this hotel, which is called Casa Delfin. We call it affectionately the Pink Hotel. But I'm going to take a video tour of that. But first I just want to give you a little bit of the location. So your view is always protected because these are where the volleyball courts are, and nothing will be built here in front of this hotel. So your view is safe and it's protected. There's 2 stories to the front part of it, but then the back is just 1 floor. And also it goes street to street. So there's another entrance in the back. So it's got this big like open space patio here on the front. It needs a lot of work. So I got my man Ricardo with me today. After I'm done here, we're going to go to Iguana Bar for a sunset cocktail. But you come in and you've got a reception area here. Got this nice open patio space on the front. So as you can see, it needs painting. There's little lockers there so people can lock up their passport or their money or something like that. So people can put a padlock on these and lock up their possessions. But from inside, you have an unobstructed view of the ocean and the sunset. Let me take you upstairs first. So we've got a little reception desk here in the front. It's not currently open as a hotel at this point. The owner he needs to sell it. So this goes into a courtyard in the back. But yeah, everything, you're gonna notice everything needs something. So there's 2 bedrooms up here and 1 bathroom. So let me start here in this bedroom on this side first. So it's got 2 beds. They're kind of pushed together right now, but they just have it moved around because they were cleaning. But you could also slide a bed out here if you wanted. But it's got a nice covered patio in front of this bedroom, and they put this wall up for the privacy. But it also looks down into the open patio porch area, and then there's another patio off of the other bedroom too. So this is surrounded by windows, but this window, as you can see, has seen its better days. It's got some rotten wood from the rain. And this has got some damage there from the rain. And those windows on the other side are damaged too. So it's going to need a lot of woodworking done to rework things, or you could put in all new vinyl or aluminum windows. So now this bedroom does not have its own bathroom, but it does have a closet here. And then across the hallway is another bedroom. Got like a little sitting space, office space there, and then this is a closet with a curtain over it. So then out in the hallway there's like a closet here. You could put linens and stuff in that. And this is the bathroom that is shared by both people. There's a door into it from the bedroom, this bedroom, so you can go. It's got like a double, well, that's the door from the hallway going into the bedroom. So yeah, so you can enter this bathroom from the bedroom, but it's got the sink and the shower. A lot of the light fixtures need to be replaced. Got a blue toilet with the wrong size toilet lid. And no shower head, Steve and Angela. So, like I said, this whole place, it just needs to be gutted. So now let me show you a little bit from here. This property, it goes all the way back, and the black gates back there. I don't know why it won't zoom in. There we go. Those black gates, that is the other entrance into it. And then just inside of the black gates, there's a room. That's where the owner currently lives, and he's got 2 very aggressive Dobermans. So I will not be going to that back part. But to give you an idea where you're right below the Chamorro houses. The house up there on the hill, that's owned by the Chamorros. So you're just right above that, or right below that, so I should say. And it does have the backup water tanks, so that's a nice feature. But all of these roof area here, that's hotel rooms. So, and there's a little courtyard in here, I'll show you. Okay, let's go back down. See, this window looks into the courtyard area. But yeah, it needs a lot of woodworking. Okay, I'll give you a tour. Here is a bathroom. So, and you've got the breaker box up there, so with exposed wires, no light over the mirror. But like I said, all the light fixtures need some work. And then here's the caretaker with her dog. She's very nice. If you want to keep a caretaker, I highly recommend her. I've known her for years. So this is where she lives. ¿Specifically mira dentro or no? No, okay. She doesn't want me to go in. But let me back up. So it goes from that bathroom to here. So this is like her caretaker's residence. That's where she stays in there, and she doesn't want me to go in. And beside it is the kitchen area. So now, unfortunately, there's no light bulb in here. Okay, now we got a little more light. So we're in the kitchen area. So there's no light bulb in here, but it's a nice big kitchen. You got lots of space, lots of shelves. So and off of the kitchen is a little laundry room, and then more shelves with sheets and everything. So okay, and outside of the kitchen is like the little courtyard area. So that is all open. You got a lime tree in this. And it's got a jacuzzi, but of course it doesn't work. So, but it's just a handmade jacuzzi. Okay, now here we go. This is the bathroom for this bedroom. So it has 2 entrances into the bathroom, one from inside the bedroom and one from outside. It's got a little TV, an air conditioner, and the bathroom. So needs a lot of work. This has got like a built-in tub, so that's kind of cool. And then at least they got a fire extinguisher. Across from it is another bedroom. Or no, this is a bodega actually. It just has a toilet in it. It doesn't have a shower. So, and there really isn't space to add a shower. Because it looks like they closed in what was the shower area and made that part of the bodega off of the kitchen. So this is just like a storage room. And then you have another little courtyard area. So you've got 2 open courtyard spaces here full of plants, which is very nice. The plants here are fantastic, and that's some oregano growing there and aloe. And so they've got a roof over this part that connects the 2 buildings, because the 2 buildings are separated, and there's 2 palm trees here going up through the middle of the property. So and back there's the other courtyard area. Now, here is another bedroom and bathroom. No TV, no air conditioning. And it has a Jack and Jill bathroom shared with the bedroom beside it. So, no light fixture over the mirror. Very tiny, tiny sink. Look how small this is. So, but the tub, once again, it's like a built-in shower tub. Very basic shower head, Steve and Angela. And this goes into the next, nope, that door's locked. Let me go outside. Into the bedroom beside it. Oh, okay, that bedroom is locked, so I can't get into it. But there's 2 bedrooms here with the shared bathroom in the middle on this side. And then on this side is another bedroom. A little seating area in the bathroom. Yeah, it just needs a lot of work. And maybe even just tear it all down and start new, because it's in pretty rough shape. And here is another bedroom. We got closet space and the bathroom. It's got issues with the ceiling. Very tiny sink, no mirror. And now from here to the back gate is where the owner lives. So let me see if I can show this to you. Yeah, his room is there on the right, and then the gate, you can drive a vehicle in, so there's lots of gated off-street parking back here. But he's got two very mean Dobermans, so I will not be going to the back part. But this just gives you an idea of what's back there, and there's the water tank. Okay. So, it's a nice long property. If you wanted to tear it down, you could put townhouses in at an angle, so every townhouse has an ocean view, you know, staggered back and at an angle, and parking in between them. Pull in from one street and exit the other street, so it makes it easy. But yeah. But the best part about this location is nothing in front of you. You have beautiful sunsets, great patio here. Your view is always going to be protected because the volleyball courts are here and nothing will be built in this area.